picture lang para makita ninyo what the song is about. We went to Korea last December, Christmas. Can you show this? Kuya, makita ba ninyo? Kita ba yan? Kita? Kita niyo yung picture? Oh, okay. Kita niyo yan? This photo was taken in Nami Island. It's a very special spot for us ni Kiji. Kani mismo, kanang malingkuranan, kanang kapunuan, kanang kahoy. Diha mismo. It was the first time we ever came back katong December. First time na mababalik dali after 10 years. So, katong December 2024, first time after 10 years, ibalik me. The first time was 2015 of January. Kana nga mismong spot sa namin. Di ako niya gisugod. Yes. Kana ng punuan, kana ng kahoy, ay mga but that's the exact spot. And when we were there, I was so inspired. Fox, I have to write a song about this. It's a very beautiful moment. Ibalik mi dito, ibalik mi sa mga bata pa kayo niya ito. Itong naguyab mi, nagisugod ko niya. Ako mo sure sa kinabuhi, sugtun ko niya. Pero kasi padulungan niya. Ano lang ba? Love lang ito naman sa buwan ito. Tapos, ko, pagbalik na mo, ibalik tanan na mo memories. 10 years na nag-ubal mi together. Ang mga unang mga nabila ninyo, mabalik ko na. So this is that song that I wrote. It's only the second time we're singing this song. The lyrics niya. This one's a very new song. Hindi pa siya released. So it's unreleased. This one's called Una Halik. Listen to it.